trading, and I wanted to go over the power of the Laguerre modified RSI with you on other financial instruments on other time frames. We've seen how powerful it is on the E-Mini and on crude, and it's on a day trading time frame. It's just as powerful on any short-term trading instrument. I will be sharing some Forex slides with you in the very near future. But what I wanted to show you here was a 30-minute of the Qs. You can see that you get the up signal here. And with this candle, you pull the 15 above the 50. You get a great entry right here long. And you get this long move up. And this is a big ride. This is about a 4.5 point move on the Qs. That is a mid-morning move. Now, once the Laguerre rises above the 80 line, it really never prints below that 80 line ever. We get a lock to the upside with the green line. You can just stay in the trade all the way. It's a terrific signal. Now with the down arrow, you know that the Laguerre has collapsed below the 80 line and printed a terrific opportunity to exit the trade, really with a significant amount of profit. Now here's the Qs on a 60-minute. And I actually like this chart even better. There's your long arrow, right there. There's the cross of the Laguerre, right above the 20 in the print. You can get in right here. You can take this trade all the way up here. This is a huge, huge move. Now, the indicator collapses right here. And you would exit almost right on this candle. So you almost get out right at the top of the move. Now this chart of the Qs is almost a 5.5 point move. Again, a mid-morning move. And the Laguerre does drop below the 80 line briefly right here. But there's no reason to exit the trade. You can see you stay above support, which never breaks, and you just continue to ride this move up. It's a great entry signal long, and the Laguerre really keeps you in the trade, obviously along with a little bit of help from support. Terrific QQQ 60-minute chart. Now the next is the QQQ daily. Now these are huge moves. I didn't scale them, but these are daily moves. Now, right here is the up arrow on the Laguerre. Don't look at the candlestick halo, because that's not accurate. And you can see that you're going to get a very, very nice move up. The Laguerre is smooth. It doesn't get, you don't get knocked out of the trade by these two pullback days. The Laguerre stays locked up. You continue to ride higher. You get a couple of lower days here. The Laguerre continues to stay long. And finally, it signals you out of the trade right here after a huge move. Same thing here. You're in. The Laguerre keeps you in the trade, takes you out right here, almost at the high of the move on a daily chart. Of the three, I like the hourly the best. But any of these time frames are eminently tradable for a significant amount of profit. Now here, here's the E-Mini on a 4-unit Renko. It's a much longer time frame than the 2-unit Renko we trade in the room. And this is a 13-point move up. Entry right here. Now this arrow is overlapping the Laguerre signal. And you get this great move up. No reason to exit this trade for 13 points. Now the Laguerre actually doesn't cross to give you a down signal till here. And you can actually get a little bit more out of this move. But you're going to clean a clear 13 points on this trade, even after the pullback and the exit signal. That's a stellar move. And this occurred on January 10th. Now, you get great entries on a 4-unit Renko all the time. Now, here's a 6-unit Renko. Now, you're not going to get these kind of entries that often, but when you do, they're going to be incredible. There's your perfect entry right here. There's the cross here, the lock green right here, and the move up. Remember, the bottom line is a Laguerre, stays green throughout the move. You get a 31-point move. Just an incredible move. I mean, you're in this trade for almost the entire day, from 10:27 all the way to 13:47. It's almost a full day's move. And then buried in here is the signal out. So you're going to get 85 to 90% of this 31-point move from entry to maximum excursion just by reading the Laguerre. Now, I could show you these higher time frames on any financial instrument. I pick the Qs as a proxy for any stock. I mean, you can trade a tech stock, low volatility, high volatility. It's really of absolutely no significance. You're going to get great entries on any time frame and on any financial instrument that you choose to trade. Very shortly, I'm going to send you some entries on the Forex. The Forex entries are absolutely stellar. Today in the live trading room, it signaled us into 3 trades, a 29-tick trade on crude, a 17-tick trade on crude, and a 9-tick trade on the E-Mini. Just wanted to show you how really it's a great additional tool to our workspace, and it's really going to make our trading even more effective. Have a really great afternoon. Thanks a lot.